Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm gonna make 2 videos in one day. I will have like a lot of school to do, but when I get at home, which is around 2, I will be uploading a video maybe every day straight away when I get home. So get ready at 2, so that's when I should be making my videos. So let's just, dang it, I should have put on full screen. So can I even? Alright, so let's head up. And actually, we are going to go to a website called Cool Math Games. If you're my friend, which is WolfDavid_gaming, you might know, then he probably knows about this website. It's probably going to be a little bit laggy, but I'm going to try the best I can to do stuff. All your keys to reach the top. Let's play Crazy 8. Just hold on. Just lagging. There we go. So, like, I'm in 4th grade. School is getting, like, 4th grade is not that hard when, you get into school. It's gonna be pretty easy for you if you just, but people might think, like, alright, this is lame. People might think, like, school's hard. 4th grade is hard. It's not really that hard at all. It's, like, very, very easy to do, 4th grade. I'm looking at my webcam, by the way. You guys wanna see my things? Actually, I can't put my, here. Can you even look at this? That's, I'm using, like, one of those keyboards. And also, and I'm also using these mouses. And this is the keyboard, by the way. If you want to pause and look at it for a few seconds, you can. I got it from Amazon. I think it's loaded now, so I don't know. Okay. So Crazy 8, I'm pretty sure, is just like Uno, so it's that. Oh, no, still loading. There we go. So let's press, let's do, yeah, sure. Let's do, yeah. I know how to play Uno, I'm not stupid. So laggy. Don't listen to any of these. They'll just hurt you. Somehow. Oh, I got a wild. $10. Let's place down a 10J. Can someone draw? Oh no, make it. Oh, thank God, I have more of that. Change it. Yep, there we go. Alright, change it. That's not the freaking thing I wanted. Blue. No! No, I hate you. I freaking hate you, whoever did that. Place down your freaking. Still don't have that. Well, blue. I'm making it blue. Blue. They probably have a blue. They don't have a blue. No, I hate you. It's not my turn. Fine. No. Okay, how about we play some static? TikTok toe, TikTok, TikTok, TikTok toe. Did you guys know that TikTok causes cancer? It's sad. It's very, very, very sad. We're at 5 minutes at the moment. I'm just gonna talk a little bit more. So, you guys might be wondering, why do I have stuffed animals behind me? Since, I like stuffed animals, okay? It's not my fault. Let me bring one of them up. Okay. So I won this one, from Steak and Shake. I actually won it, too. Say hi. Don't run away from me. Let me show you some proof. I don't care if the game's done loading. This was from Shake and Steak. It's a frisbee, so when I get a dog, I'll use it. So anyway, it should be loaded up by now. So let's just get back. Wait, hold on. There we go. Single player. Dude, this is gonna be so freaking hard. Bam. This is like kind of boring. So yeah. I'm gonna tell you guys like a really good game. It's called Addicting Games. It's not really a game, but yeah. Ooh, what's this? Grab them by the eyes. Yeah. Hello. I'm gonna record like 10 minutes, so it's like 2 more minutes. I'm gonna see if we can play this game for about 2 more minutes. In the next video, I'll do addicting games, but like for right now, I'm just gonna do some cool math. If you want to record on this, and you have like a 11 now, which is like a touchscreen computer, don't do it since it doesn't run on like a monitor, so it will be really laggy if you try to record on it. But if you like do it by yourself, it won't be laggy. Please avoid if you are sensitive to bright and flashing lights. That's a warning. That's a warning. What some nerds. Actually, I might record to like 11 minutes. Filthy burger. So sure, let's make a bet. We bet we have more customers than you by the end of the week. Winner stays on this corner. You're on. You don't stand a chance. I'm gonna need one of those signs. I need a sign. Sold for $1 million. That's a good start, but if you want to complete these days, you'll need more than a basic sign. I sell punch cards for all the latest settings. I almost clicked on a new game. What do you do? Lame-o's doing here. But they tend to sell out pretty quickly. Alright, we get $50 to spend. No, it's here. Okay. So if you let's say you do a grade and one of these, you get this. I have to wait. It's kind of laggy, not too laggy though. The numbers they combine to whatever it is. Okay. 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 Right now, you're just trying to get the best punch cards before Filthy Bird did this. You'll take turns choosing cards. If I were you, I would try to grab one of those colored cards before someone else does. You don't want to spend all your money that quickly. Let's put this. Alright. 5. I'm gonna get 5 customers. They're gonna get more. Rat. Filthy. Sucks. He sucks. Let the change frame. And we're done. What? They're gonna get more than me. Oh wait, yeah, they're gonna get more. Oh, 7. No, more come to me. You guys are. What the? No, just kidding. I'm not that mad. I only. Oh. Yeah, I'm watching the video that I just recorded. So guys, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to be using this a lot more often, but that's all the videos I'm going to do for today. But if you enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button and go subscribe to my friend's channel. That is in the last video. I don't want to thank him in all the channels since that takes a lot of work to do and publish. But I recorded my last video about, let's say 3:10, something like that. And it didn't take too long to upload, so now it's 3:40 right now, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Hit the dab on them haters.